Key functions of management are planning, organising, leading, and controlling the work/activities of the members of an organisation. A manager's effectiveness can be judged from the way in which they carry out these key functions. Management begins with careful planning to establish and meet organisational goals. Good managers use planning to determine the best course of action in a particular situation, or over a period of time. Clear goals enable more logical decisions on how to achieve those goals. Organising is the process of coordinating people and resources to achieve goals. Managers who can use resources like time, money, skills, and people more efficiently will improve organisational productivity. Truly effective organisation depends on successful integration and coordination of many factors, including processes and people to achieve set goals and to balance between completing goals and priorities. Leadership is the means by which managers influence subordinates to get things done in the desired way. Managers can best lead by creating an atmosphere that helps and encourages people to do their best. Leadership is less about power than it is about harnessing the capabilities and motivation of others to achieve goals. Management is partly about exercising control, and this can be done in many ways. Control helps keep people in an organisation on track and helps maintain and monitor processes to ensure that their outcomes are what is expected or desired. To carry out these processes effectively, managers must have the following qualities. They must be able to make decisions, including difficult ones. They must be willing to take responsibility for outcomes and for their subordinates and to work with and through other people. Managers need to balance conflicting or competing goals and priorities. They need to analyse and explain concepts and have an ability to deal with different people and the conflicts that can arise between them. An ability to focus and good communication skills are a must. A mission statement provides a clear and concise description of what an organisation does. It may indicate the scope and nature of that enterprise as well as its primary goal, and perhaps secondary goals. For many businesses, the primary goal might be to make a profit. However, for others, equal importance might be given to goals such as long-term survival, job satisfaction, or contributing to society in some way or another. A mission statement should be concise and unambiguous, usually no more than a few sentences, and sometimes only one sentence. In meeting these criteria, it becomes possible for a manager to gain and retain a firm grasp on the essence of the mission statement. With an awareness of the mission statement, a manager has a valuable frame of reference against which they can judge the importance of decisions. In effect, a mission statement is the manager's measuring stick, which should be used routinely in making all management decisions.